Tolerance-based machining in SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 introduces some powerful new capabilities that dramatically reduce the time required to generate CNC programs for turned parts with close tolerances and surface finish requirements. Leveraging DIM expert dimensions and model-based definition information applied directly to the model, SOLIDWORKS CAM automatically applies your preferred machining strategies to the part based on the tolerance scheme with just a single button click. In this example, based on nominal tolerances, the remaining features and operations required to machine the outside profile and groove have been added, both using a rough finish strategy. Next, we'll go ahead and change the tolerances that affect both the groove and the outer profile, changing overall type and values to be undersize. These types of dimension and tolerance scheme modifications can appear small, but often dictate a change in the operations required to machine the part to the correct size, leading to delays on the shop floor. Tolerance-based machining's powerful rules-based approach lets you set default machining strategies for undersize, nominal, and oversize for any given tolerance size range. Rerunning tolerance-based machining with the new tolerance values results in both the outside profile and groove features switching to the undersize strategy, which in this example will be a roughing operation followed by 2 finishing passes. Next, regenerating the operation plan results in a new set of operations complete with preferred tools, feeds, speeds, and cut depths automatically selected to meet the strategy's requirements. Finally, all that's left to do is calculate the tool paths, and they're ready to be outputted as NC programs. Tolerance-based machining in SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 streamlines design to manufacture, leveraging the power of model-based definition to automate CNC programming and reduce overall delivery times.